This right here will forever be my heartbeat. I don't want nothing else in this life more than I want this. Listen to Travis Greene, and I'm gonna let him tell you everything you need to know. Y'all watch this video right here.
I believe the Lord has, he's been incredibly gracious and incredibly kind and incredibly tolerant, because we've made this about everything but him. And the Lord is stirring the hearts of a generation to return to the simple things. I had an expensive jacket that I ordered and I wanted to look cool tonight. The Lord told me not to put it on. The simple is enough, man. Where it's really just about him. Like, not about bigger buildings and not about more trophies and not about more money, but just him. Because everything that we're trying to gain, all of these metrics and data for our own ego, you know, like none of this stuff is going to matter when we stand before him with his eyes like fire and his hair like wool. It's not going to matter. Our bank account is not going to matter. Our following is not going to matter. Our tours and our trophies is not going to matter. Our fancy clothes is not going to matter when we stand before him. And I have determined in my heart, I just want to hear him say, well done. And he's been so patient. He's let us act like it was about him, and he blessed it because he's a good father and he's kind. But the Lord is desiring his children to desire him. We don't need social media posts to excite us about coming to church. We don't need all the other stuff. I mean, I'm from a day, Pastor Benny, came up in the 90s, man, and we didn't have nothing fancy. I didn't even know what a graphic was until I got to college. We never had any of that stuff, man. They had washboards and cowbells and tambourines and pop-up testimonies and miracles. And we've been content coming in fancy and leaving unchanged. Making our post and bragging in our preacher text thread about how many people came on Easter, and nobody really encountered it.